So guys, what is happening as we're going to be playing Devro Foot Pack Opener today? I'm so annoyed right now because literally I'll even prove literally it. I've literally packed every single team of the year except from De Gea and Ronaldo. Literally my club, my players, team of the year. Look. Messi, Modric, Neymar. No, wait, guys, I told a little porky there. I have packed De Gea. All I need is to pack Ronaldo. And I've packed every single team of the year. I know what I'm going to do. Everyone here should know what I'm going to do. And if you don't know what I'm going to do, if you don't know what I'm going to do, I don't know what you're going to do. Ooh. Boost your brain by playing this 15 minutes a day. I'll play an hour and not boost it 4. Oh. That's a little bit easy. That's a little bit easy. How do I not even get a play with that? That's oh my, a video for an 83. Oh my days, that is just not worth it. Just get a team of the year. I don't care about whoever this is, Antoine Griezmann. Oh, just give me one. Okay. Okay. Every time I'm going to walk away, it's going to give me a good player. So guys, I'm going to leave as soon as I open the pack. So I'm just going to walk nicely around the table. Then see. Back now. 85! No, I don't think I should take it. I've literally got like oh bro, kill him, kill him man, get all of them. He died. Oh, team of the year, Ronaldo! Yes, all the team of the year's pack now. Get in there. All the team of the year's in the bag. This is all of the team of the year's in the bag. Team of the year. Wait, 83%. Who have I not packed? Wait, who have I not packed? Dad? I don't know who I've not packed here. What? Messi, Modric, Ronaldo, Neymar. There's a 9. Oh, yeah. One more team of the year. Mbappe. How can I forget you? Literally, there's Paris's. There's French's. Just Mbappe, where are you? Where are you? Please come. Wait. 94 rare. Ronaldo. Oh, all I need to pack is Messi. Nice. If I pack Messi normal card, I'm going to be quite happy. Okay. Oh. The Carcan. Right, I'm actually doing SBC here. Never done one of them in my videos ever. SBCs. Leagues. I'm actually going to go Premier League and Man City. Man United. So, League, England, and where is you? Where are you, bro? You, obviously. Lukaku. Oh, man, I'm going to take out you. Alexis. And I'm going to put Marshall out. Team rating 79. Team chemistry 90. How will it only need to be 79 rating? I mean, I could put like... If I like put right mid maybe then? Right mid. Wait, clubs. Manchester United. Where's I need like a right mid, yep. But then who am I gonna have in centre mid? Fred, if you have any CDMs, no matter shit, no matter. Oh bro. I'm actually going to do this. I've only completed one. What is it? Team chemistry 90. Exactly numbers. Oh, that's how I have. Right, I'm not letting this down now. Wait. Oh man, yes, an 86 inform. That was, how did I just put a cam in goal and it still made 100 cam? That just does not make it. Maybe because it all had green links. Ooh, Druma. I'm gonna say this now, then I never do. There's one better player who it could be. Cristiano Ronaldo, like team of the week. Because on this game you can still pack team of the years like I already did Ronaldo. Because you can't pack team of the years on FIFA now. You can only buy them. Yeah, so like Fabinho, he'll only be going for about 5,000. Then Ronaldo for like 8 million. It's just so funny. How like 83s only go for 1,000. Then 75s only go for like 200 coins. 45s must go for like 1p. It's actually really rare to pack a 45 or like a 50 rated. It's so rare. Yeah, you got bird poo in your mouth. Watching them. Wait, money. No, it's Koulibaly. I thought Mane isn't in them, is it? Why is Mane not? Why is Mane in them? Oh my days, that's freaky. I'm not doing that. I hate that video. That's freaky. Guys, like this video if you thought that was creepy. That was well creepy. How do you find hidden ninja? I don't get it. Literally, it says find hidden ninja. Like, how do you have to like touch hidden ninja if you find him? How have I got the robot skin? I want to check how you get. Yeah, kill 100. Kill 100, that's probably like kill 50, isn't it? Kill 50, yeah. Beat more than 6 players in 1 round. Beat more than 4 players in 1 round. How do you get the penguins again? Get the first place 200 times. Oh yeah. That's actually won the tournament once. Get first place 100 times. Get first place 50 times. Get first place 30 times. Get first place 10 times. Get the first place. Play 7 consecutive days. Ooh, that's nice. Whoa, no, this is really distracting. Like right, you know this guy around here. I actually I don't go for people that are over Diamond 4 or over who have the legendary skin. I don't go for them. Or if they don't even have the legendary skin. Because like they would have already got the legendary skin like me. Oh bro, there's a robot. Oh no. No man. Oh yeah bro, there's a diamond 2. Yeet. Everything kid is on the run. Oh no, I need. Oh yes, I'm so glad I popped theirs. Let's do the sneaky one. Bam. Oh bro. No. No, despacito, man. No. We do not say that in the Republic of China. Oh no, there's one more person. Bro, yes, yes. No, wait, there's one more person. Wait, victory. Let's see the victory of me going down. 60 wins. I feel good for 60 wins. Quite a good achievement for 60 wins. Paper IoT. Imagine, it's so easy to get one win. It's just so easy. I probably got first place. The cloud's really weird. Like, look. Ooh. The cloud, look, you see only a little bit of cloud, and then it just starts. Wait, how the heck am I first? Just with one massive, one of them. Wait, what the heck? How am I just? No, wait, how is Freak first? Oh, bro, this is actually quite a good hack to do this and kill him. That's a really good thing to do, especially against the king. Bro, you're going to try and kill me, huh? Oh, bro, I need to be quick. I need to be quick. No, he's killed the king. I think he's a noob anyway, so he'll get to kill the king. And guys, that's the second game of that. So if you want to play the second game, it's on App Store or Play Store. Can I play? Wait, what the heck? How will it not let me play? Guys, thanks for watching. I've just realised the time how long we've actually been on this. For just about 12 minutes. So, guys, thanks for watching and we'll see you in another video. Bye.